General Secretary Jong ke BJP State Meghalaya uba wan kit bok po sina ulakan taj bat Kiar bat tre ban kren AA ne ban kubur halor ka jingle bakla jong no ru kibala penenkam bakla ya ka Instagram account jong u presiden ke BJP Youth Wing usamla mewaker lingdo phawa kabala penmi ha ke rinsan kubur pajba ne social media kabala keno ba ulaong ba dei ban shu siat ben ïakhih samla ki ïakhih apo Jantar Mantar halor ka jinglat tu ki jingkeli kanin ha kini kibnai baladam habakali la ka BJP kala ujor ejaha ne em ya kitu kibaprin kam bakla ya ka account nong yalam ka BJP uba pochna ula ong ba dan jingtip AA halor kane ka jingjia bat yai ban ru ba ka BJP kala de ban pinshai halor kane ka jingjia haba puteng ban kali biang halor kane ka phang uba pochna ula kan ria no na kane ka phang bat kan tho jor ye ka congress bat unong elam jongka u Rahul Gandhi bagil ale matla bat thok bet markmat ya kinong shong shinong kari India halor ka jing sha thombor bat sha tit sha bom sha siat er pensat khmat ki samla ïakhih hajla chakan bat la sensha daka sarkar JJM hapo ka jingelam ka seng Indian National Congress.
See, frankly speaking, I'm not aware of the entire situation, and I'm sure the party must have made certain stands at that point of time. I do not wish to talk more on that. Because I do not see, basically, I do not see.
Is it not the irony that you don't know what has happened in Shillong and you know what has happened in Delhi?
See, what's there on personal accounts of people, I cannot go and monitor, right? So I am not aware and I do not wish to speak anything, but I'm sure the party must have made a statement, so let's stick to that.
The person is already here.
The matter has also gone to the court, so I will not deliberate much on it. Those who had apprehensions about the way the administration worked, they have gone to the court. I think the matter is there. Let's not discuss about it. Let us discuss why the parliament is not functioning, because of the hypocrisy of the Congress party.
He tends to post something that will ruin the party itself.
Yeah, naturally, actually, as political leaders, we should be diligent enough of what we do in our day-to-day lives, and we request anybody who is holding important position to kindly monitor their personal account, because nowadays personal accounts can be hacked. Just the other day we got another complaint by one of our state vice president, again account was hacked. So these kind of issues.
For how many minutes the accounts gets hacked?
See, I cannot see. When
many
a mobile
seconds?
gets compromised in any way, so
Okay,
I
for
cannot.
how many seconds the account gets hacked?
Why no FIR was filed?
See, I don't know how do social media platforms work. I see that we have a medium of complaining to the platform, so I think something like that.
For how many seconds the accounts get hacked?
Because my account has not been hacked, and if my account is hacked,
And after
I
hacking,
think
why does that post get deleted?
that I don't see. I'm telling you,
Hackers are favoring
I'm not
BJP.
privy to anything what you're speaking. That has happened at a time when maybe I was not available. I'm not aware. I was more concentrating at the Jantar Mantar incident. So what has happened locally? So we are not aware.
So,
And I'm not party. I don't have time to follow everybody's personal account, right? So let's keep this aside. Let's keep the chief important agenda now at the front. Our parliament has to function, and it has to function in the right way, in a pure democratic way. And we please, through your medium, we want to request to the Congress that do not just go to the streets. Allow the parliament to function and debate there. Our Home Minister, our Honorable Home Minister is willing to answer to all the questions, the queries that the Congress party has. So we request Rahul Gandhi ji to kindly please face our Honorable Home Minister in the floor of the House. Thank you. Even see in a protest, even many people have made so many unwanted statements. So let's not go thinking about what has happened. Let us look at what we can do now. Let the parliament function so that the youth and the future of the country is secure.
It's just
Provided we have a debate.
accountability, that's the only reason. However, how did the BJP react to the recent calling out Congress on the FCRA?
Let the parliament function, all this will come.